welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. My name is Nick, welcome to my channel, and today I'm super excited to be back with another collaboration with Temu. We are doing another unboxing haul video, sharing a bunch of cool things I got from Temu. This is part one. There will be a part two in the next week or two. Not really sure when yet. We're going to get that on the schedule, but I'm really excited to be back with another collab haul with Temu. So you might be thinking, what is Temu? Temu is an online marketplace selling tons, and I mean tons, of really unique products, such cool things at great prices. Like, guys, these prices are unreal. So I'm really stoked to be back with another one of these today. I will have a coupon code for you in the description if you guys want to save even more money off of Temu's already great prices. I'll have that in the description. I'll also have it flashing on the screen. And so I'll also have the link to Temu in the description as well. So, guys, I'm so excited and thankful for this opportunity to be working with Temu again, because I want you guys to know about it. It's really cool. They have a lot of great products. I'm so excited. So a couple of you guys said you'd really like to hear my thoughts on some products I got on the last Temu haul. So I thought I'd go ahead and share real quick. Actually, this electric razor. I love this thing. Hands down, best electric razor I've ever had in my life. I am somebody who gets really prone to breaking out and bleeding when I use a manual razor. It doesn't matter what razor, really, what shaving cream, I still break out really bad. I've tried electric razors in the past and they just haven't worked that well for me. So I really was hesitant to ever try one again. I probably just pretty much just accepted I'm gonna have to just be used to breaking out. That is until I found this one. The Sejoy razor. Sejoy razor. It is so nice. Such a close shave, but I don't break out and I don't cut and bleed with this thing. This is such a nice razor, and the price was so good. It was under $15. I love it so much. I gave one to my dad. He loves it. We got another one here. Gonna give that to my great uncle. I know he's gonna love it, and I absolutely love this thing. Guys, I will never use another razor again, I don't think, because this one's just perfect. It works so well. So this is something I really recommend. We're going to talk about it today. I got another one in today's haul. And then the next thing I really love that I got from Temu. I mean, I love several things, but I can't review everything or else we'll be here all night. But it is this. And this is a cooling relief headache hat. I'm somebody who does suffer from headaches. Not all the time, but sometimes I get them. And guys, sometimes Tylenol just ain't working. So something else to use is really great, and that is this. It's a headache relief cooling hat. So basically what you do is you put it over your forehead, and there is such there's a coolness that comes from this, that it really helps negate the headache because you have such cooling on your forehead. So guys, this thing is so neat. And it was really inexpensive. So I highly recommend this as well. So yeah, and I'll be sure, so those are my reviews I'm going to do in this haul today. And I'll be sure to, in my next one, show you guys some more stuff I got from Temu that I really love. So yeah, but it's been great. So let's just dive right into today's unboxing haul, and we will have links in the description to take you to all these listings as long as they're still available. So first thing that we got, and it's kind of fun, I know several of you guys commented about everything comes just in a bag or whatever. I've actually had it come in both. Depending on the size of the order, some things have come in boxes. I think one of my orders came in a box. The other two came in a bag. And the stuff is in the bag. And it's really fun, looking through and finding things oh, I forgot I ordered this. Because it typically does take about a week and a half to 3 weeks for stuff to come. But I really don't mind because the prices are so good, and I enjoy kind of looking through the bag to see my stuff because it's oh, I forgot I bought this. Oh, I bought this, and remembering that I bought this stuff. It's really cool. I love it. So I know some people have commented that they don't like how they package stuff, but for me, even with it in the bag, I enjoy looking through it and finding the things that I purchased. So the first things that I got though are these microwave plate covers. I love this. I've been wanting something like this. Seriously, guys, if you microwave food, a lot of times it will make a mess, and it'll stuff will fly from the food and make a mess in the microwave. This prevents that. So it's a collapsible plate cover. So it also serves as a strainer. That's cool as well. So it could serve as a strainer. Let me take it out and I'll show it to you. Okay, so it is a collapsible item. So what you do is you just put it over the plate like so. And while it's microwaving, it has vent holes, so that way it's venting the food, but it's not going to let it make a mess, which I just think is so amazing. And it does serve as a strainer. It's a small strainer. It wouldn't strain a ton of stuff, but you can actually collapse it a little bit more I got a yellow one and a red one. I'm pretty sure these came in a multi-pack. So I got 2 of those together as a set, which I love. Love that so much. So the next thing I got are an absolute ton of these jewelry organizers, which are interesting. I'm not going to use these for jewelry because I'm not wearing jewelry, but I'm actually going to use these to store stamps. So like the craft stamps or whatever. As you can see, there's multiple grids in here, so you can like divvy them out. And I got 3 of these 15 grid ones, which can hold, you know, a little bit larger ones, but not like super large ones, but I don't really have super large ones. So I got those. And then I got these 10 grid ones, which are nice. I'm really excited about those, and these were very inexpensive as well. All right, so the next thing I got, I already gave you my review on this, the Sejoy electric razor. I love this thing so much. And for the price, you can't beat it. The battery, I should have said that. The battery, it says long life. Totally does have a long life. Lasts really long. Usually lasts me a couple weeks. At least a week. Yeah, it's really nice. So I love that. So something we never have enough of are pizza cutters. So I went ahead and picked these up from Temu. It's a set of red and green pizza cutters. And so you just cut pizza with them. And yeah, I think these are really cool. So it comes with a guard on it. Well, that's cool. So it like, if you fold it over, you can lock it in, but then when you want to unlock it, you just press it open, which that's really neat. So I love this. This is really cool. And you can just, you know, cut pizza with it or tortillas or things like that if you want to make like a quesadilla or something. This is really going to come in handy. So don't ask me how, being a couponer, that I ran out of these, but Temu came to the rescue. I got these for a great deal. So it's a set of floss picks. So I got 2 of the 50 count floss picks, as well as 2 as the 100 count floss picks. And this is going to be perfect. Like I said, I used to have a ton of these, but I ran out of them somehow. So Temu to the rescue, and I got all of these for under $4, so it worked out pretty good. Okay, and then this last item that I got is really cool. It is a shoe organizing unit. It is really neat. So instead of me going through and talking about this, I think it'd be easier to show you what it looks like once it's done. So let me go and show you the assembled unit. All right, so let me show you guys these shoe boxes. It actually comes with a total of 6. We got 3 of them in this room, and these are actually really nice. So you don't have to just put shoes in here. I'm sure you could put more things, but it just is like this nice plasticky box, and it does have a closure on it. So you just lift it up and you can get your shoes out, which is just such a cool thing. So it comes with 6 of these, which is awesome. So guys, this is it for my Temu haul. I'll be back with a part 2 in a week or so. Hopefully, might be a week or 2, we'll have to see. But awesome haul today, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy shopping.